The next thing to do is to sew the head on the body. So you will see this part is more curved than this one, and you have to sew it this way, here in the middle. So what I do is this, here in the middle actually. So okay, my yarn is already kind of in the middle, so I will insert the hook in this way and I pull it out, and then I can always sew the base first. So at first I will take only this part here. Okay, and then I can insert it back from where it came from. I pull out, now I insert the hook below the stitch instead. So like this, and I sew a little bit the upper part like this here, and then I do the same in the next stitch. Take this one, whoop, inside here, and then the last one. Inside here, and okay, then I didn't sew the bottom part on this side, so I will do it now. This part here, now inside. And then here I take a random stitch and I make a small knot. Okay, and now we cut the yarn, and the body of the turtle is now ready, and now we just have to put the shell on top.